Chicken hamisu de komyo.
Chicken なら味噌大根よ。そう。繰り返します。
Do it. Okay. Like grab around and try to lift me up. Around, yeah, try to lift. Keep lifting. Keep lifting. You want to try it? You ready? So you gotta, it's from Jiu-Jitsu, self-defense. You gotta put your hands on my hips. This is gonna help you a lot. So, that's how you open the guard.
Okay.
And you put your butt back. When I lift you, ready?
No.
Yeah, put your butt back. Yeah, see how much harder that becomes, bro?
No.
Yeah, that's called finding base in Jiu-Jitsu. Can't.
Oh, really?
And that's like going into Hira.
I never learned that.
That's going into Hira. It's Jiu-Jitsu fundamentals. The whole program that I have.
Oh, really?
That's going into Hira. That's going into Hira. When you do it now, that's the Hira. Yeah. All the Kamai, that's from that. That's how you find base. See? So I'm going into Hira, basically, see? Same thing. Gives you a better feel for it. Yeah. You see? There you go. Look how much grounded you become. That gives you a better feel for Hira. See? Okay. Cool. Now that we found it, let's start with the mote. So you're gonna do it here. Do the full form. So, 1. Stand square with me, please. She's in. Yeah, she's in. Yeah. Step 1.
You can take me all the way down.
2. Let's see, I gotta make you. 3. Traditional hold. Okay, your turn.
Going this way or that way?
That way.
That? Is it like this?
Yeah. Wait, I like what you did. You just went right into it. I'm just doing the full form the way Shidoshi showed it.
You did, which one did you go? You went
That way, 45.
Oh.
But you gotta shift your weight. Kinda, but see, you're looking away from me. He did this. Check in hand. I start shifting my weight. And look at the footwork. And when this one lands, that hurts. But you did this. You went at the E hand. You did, which is cool, because then you could rip it off. You went at the E hand. That's cool. But the whole idea was he always was big on, if you remember, shifting, and when you're weak, you rip it when the person's like this.
Oh.
And at angles at 45 degrees, like check your hand, nice, relax. 1, exactly. Yep. And then before he did that, I think it's important that you keep me with the left hand, and then the right hand will point straight that way, as like a check, yeah. And then you bring one hand to the other. See how that switches your feet? Yeah, exactly. That move is money right there. Yeah. don't look away. Now it's here. In one, like a punch. This is like a punch. Punch to pride. Step, connect the hands. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Can I take you down slow?
Yeah.
And then keep your balance. And then head that into. And then this is going to be punching me, and as you punch me, you step with the right foot. Yes. Let's see how that starts to bend. Then connect the hands, one down. Oh, the grip is like this. You pointing, yeah, because when you point down, that's going to make my shoulders go like this. And you step back. You make it go like this, and you step back. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
The omoteapo?
Yeah, onikataki.
Onikataki?
Yeah. Right.
It's the punch here?
That's what it feels like to me.
Okay, like a forward.
That would be like a forward. As you'd be doing this, you'd be extending. You see? And then you lock in your box, and then you make sure I'm off balance here, and you step back. You're getting tight. You're getting tight. Yeah, you're getting tight.
Okay.
Nice. 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 And next is Mushidori.
Oh yeah, Mushidori.
Yeah, I think I have the right one. She's in. I make you step. I reach for the book. I wrap the arm. Go into prayer. Shift your weight a little bit, you okay? Make sure I keep you out of balance. Shift your weight to the other leg. So I'm going to shift it, and then super slow. You're supposed to bring it out like that. And then you catch that. And then you step. Reach. This is just so I can feel my weight shift, and so you can feel how I'm manipulating you. So the more relaxed and the more you go with it, the easier. Because I know you could resist here, but the point is just for me to get the motion. You have a break fall, I have a motion, and then we can just start feeling the leverage. You know what I mean? First you take a 45-degree step. And then you reach for the bookshelf. Okay, you're going to reach up for the bookshelf. And then you're going to wrap it and step with that leg in. Yep, and then you're going to make sure I'm like this, prayer. And then you're going to drop your shoulders nice and relaxed. Shift your weight this way, shift me this way. Shift me, and then lift up your left leg and kick out, down into the back of my knee. And then you're going to switch and take the mote. Push a little more with the knee. Nice. The wrist lock is good, dude.
Okay.
See, I'm here. You want me here. See how much easier that was?
Oh, yeah.
It's like I'm falling right away. So I'm going to make you step. I know Sensei was saying, Clark you don't have to make him do all this step. This is just for us to learn the form, right? Because what I like about it is my weapon moves first. Arms move, and then my foot moves. I get that angle, pull, like a samurai sword. Can you move here? Can you stand up?
It's hard, yeah.
It's hard because I'm keeping the pushing like this. And since they said I either gonna step in and throw you, or I just kind of just keep walking. But what it really does is it teaches us how to do this footwork of the hips. It teaches you how to go. And when this hand moves, so it really teaches you how to cut that angle. Yeah. Okay. The cool thing now that I like is once your left leg is back, you're going to swing this hand under my armpit and that hand under my into my elbow inside. Yeah, that's outside. We go inside for that. Beautiful. And now as you do that, the left leg is gonna go beautiful.
Like that?
Yeah, but now be right beside me here. Now grab behind my elbow so you can really pull it. Yep, pull it to you. And then put this hand like you're punching. Push me down like this. And now just walk that way. Walk. Exactly. And that's the form. Deeper into my armpit. With your right hand. And then 1, change, 2, and then I would 3. And then I would say, go back to Jumanji. And then you throw a punch with your left hand now. And then weight shift, turn, strike, that brings you down. And then I weight shift and come up. And now I go back, and now I'm in Hicho. So now you're gonna strike with the left hand into my stomach. And then attach, go Hicho, strike, and step. And then we basically just repeat that, back and forth. Now, so as I strike the punch, you do a big circle and you step, and then you pull that leg back, the left yes, and then that leg goes forward, yeah, and then after you pull that leg back, now step forward with this leg, weapon moves first, put it on my throat, and I push the leg back, and then I would roll, and I would get up, and then you're in Jumanji. And then I strike, and when I strike in Jumanji, you're gonna, so you strike, 1, 2, strike, now I go to Jumanji, you start to strike, 1, 2, 3, 4, I go to Hicho, you start to strike, I give you a target, boom, 1, 2, 3, strike, and then I reset, and then you go, and now you're in yeah. Oh no,
Oh yeah, I
yeah,
go.
now you go. So, you ready? That gives you space. Yeah, for that strike, it was super important. He didn't want us to. Can I show?
Yeah.
He didn't like a lot of Adrian or whatever. They would just go like, boom.
Yeah.
He was really big on weight shifting.
Oh,
So he was trying to get us to learn the concept of don't strike.
That strike is the push. Like
Step, yeah. Place, and then because I wanted if you put 1 foot forward,
yeah.
he was like, he's gonna be like this, and I'm trying to get your shoulders to go like that. That's when you're weak. So of course, Adrian and all of them, they would just go boom, and that's cool because it's a strong hit. But he wanted us to feel the weight of the arm, and weapon moves first. Weapon moves first. Place, and now this back leg is what's gonna do the. And if you do it right, the guy would still flying.
Mm-hmm.
And if you do it all together and you get that motion, your strikes are not going to be strikes. They're just going to be place and push. Yeah.
Okay.
1. Yes. Place, and then right here, and now step it like, yes! You see?
Okay.
It sends me flying in a circular motion. The space. And then when that foot lands, boom. That strike happens.
That's it?
That was it. And then reset. Showed it like, can I show?
Yeah, yeah.
He showed when you're blocking, he wanted us to go.
Oh, yeah, yeah, like a bird.
Yeah,
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
that? Try it.
Okay.
Yes, and the hand would be up already in front of your face.
Yeah.
As you're kicking, now when that foot lands, this hand has to be here.
Okay.
Yeah, because, yeah, and then you step with that foot and you hit. See, you just switch hips. It's all to get us to switch hips and
wow.
base.